National Weather Service in Taunton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Cheshire County in southern New Hampshire. This includes the city of Keene, northwestern Hillsborough County in southern New Hampshire until 4:45 p.m. and 3:48 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Surrey, or 7 miles northwest of Keene, and was moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Some locations in the warning include Gilsum, Sullivan, Nelson, Marlow, Stoddard, Windsor, Deering, Hillsborough, and Weir. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Tuesday evening for southern New Hampshire.